Hello, this is Carlos with SEM Marine and the Small Boat Repair Channel. Today in this video we're going to show how to clean an old linen coat that I got from offerUp. As you can see here, apparently this thing has overspray all over. That's the reason why I pretty much gave it away. Some rips, I don't think I'm gonna fix this, but I can paint it. I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint the seat and clean the overspray. And I was told that one of the best ways to clean overspray is with a paint stripper. Okay, let's find out. Okay, so I'm gonna use this paint stripper. If you can see, it says you can put it in a spray bottle, which I did, and it's very convenient. I don't know, I haven't tried this yet. I used to use the old one, the regular one with the brush, so this is new for me. Let me check it out and people. Alright, I got it out after 15-20 minutes, and well, let me tell you, this is a great way to clean this. As you can see, all of the overspray came out, and it came out, not just came out, it's shiny now. It wasn't shiny before. Let's see. Gotta put a little bit of pressure on it. Yeah, it's coming out. It's great. Great idea. I like it. Alright, let me work on this. After cleaning with my hand, I realized if I use the pressure washer, which I have in there, it's a big wall. It's not super strong, but it's pretty good for what I need. It's battery operated. I highly recommend it. So it's coming out a lot faster, a lot easier, and I'm very happy with the results. I'm gonna make sure after the drive I don't miss a couple of spots. Maybe this spot that I miss here. I know. I'm gonna let it dry and see what happens. Alright, I just finished to clean it. You can see, I mean, it was a good job in that paint stripper. You can see it did a great job. I let it dry for a while under the sun in South Florida. It dried pretty quick. I'm mounted in my boat. I used to have a cooler seat. It was too big and too low, so it didn't do much, only for storage, and I can just put a cooler here if I wanted storage. You know, and then maybe a strap. That's a common installation for it. And now after, I'm gonna paint this thing. I don't know if I can do much for it, but I'm gonna paint it, and then it's gonna come out so good. And after I paint it, it's gonna get a high value. You know, I got this thing, the whole thing, very cheap, and after I clean it and paint it, it's gonna be very high on price if I ever want to sell it. So the seat is out, and I'm gonna paint it with these great product It's for marine purpose. It's for upholstery, and it will give you a perfect, pretty much perfect new look. It's a great product. I highly recommend it. It's not too expensive. I'll put a link down below so you guys can see the product and maybe order it online. Okay, I got painted. I painted about 5 or 6 times, and you can see the difference, big difference. Much better than before. Okay, this is the final result. See how it looks like? The results are great. This product, the cleaning, I'm gonna put the links down below of the products that I use to clean. And when you use these linen posts, as I say, man, it looks great. I'm very happy with it. It's very low price, and it looks great in my boat. Now I'm gonna clean this, make it look very nice again, and that's it. We're gonna go fishing. So this is the 2 products that I use for renovation on the linen post. Everything together, even with the linen post, was for under $100, and it looks great in my boat, and I'm very happy with the results. So thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos.